Welcome to the HostPinnacle SMS platform. Add contacts to the system. There are two ways to add contacts to your account, manually or in bulk. To start, go to the Manage Groups section from the left-hand menu. Click on Groups. Then create a new group by entering a name and clicking Save Changes. To add contacts manually, go back to Manage Groups, then select Contacts. Click Add. Choose your desired group and enter the contact's name and phone number. Once done, hit Save Changes. For bulk contact uploads, click Import. Select your group and choose a file in either XLS or XLSX format. If you need help formatting your file, click on the sample icon to download a template. Fill it in with your contacts and re-upload it. Once imported, you'll see a success message. You can review all your saved contacts by clicking on the Contacts drop-down. And that's it! You are all set. Check out our other SMS tutorials or contact us on +254 111 054 710 or email us on info@hostpinnacle.co.ke.